Imagine waking up one spring morning to a garden bursting with color and life. And the best part? You planted it all in October. That's right, if you want a garden full of stunning flowers in the spring, ENOW is the time to take action. But most people don't realize October is one of the best months to plant perennials. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Your future garden will thank you. Today, I'm going to reveal the 10 best perennials you should plant this October for jaw-dropping spring blooms. Trust me, you don't want to skip this list. These flowers will turn your garden into a paradise when the warmer months roll around. 1. Daffodils. Let's kick things off with a classic daffodils. These sunshine yellow beauties are super easy to plant and can withstand cooler temperatures. Plant them now, and by spring you'll have a garden that screams happiness. 2. Tulips. Tulips are another must plant in October. Their stunning colors make them the perfect centerpiece for any garden. The trick: plant them a little deeper in well-drained soil, and come spring, you'll be rewarded with an elegant display of blooms. 3. Crocus. Next up is the crocus. These early bloomers are like the first sign of spring. They pop up right when winter starts to fade away, adding a splash of color when everything else is still waking up. 4. Hyacinths. Looking for something fragrant? Hyacinths are the way to go. Their sweet scent will fill the air, and they're available in so many vibrant colors. Just plant them in a sunny spot and let nature do the rest. 5. Allium. If you want something a bit more dramatic, allium is the star of the show. These tall, globe-shaped flowers make a statement in any garden, and they're also bee-friendly. Plus, deer don't like them, so your garden is safe. 6. Peonies. Peonies are another favorite, and while they take a little time to establish, they're totally worth the wait. Once they bloom, their large, fluffy flowers will make you the envy of the neighborhood. 7. Bleeding heart. For a touch of romance, plant some bleeding heart. Their delicate, heart-shaped flowers look like something out of a fairy tale. They love shady spots and will bloom early in the season. 8. Lupine. Lupines bring vertical drama to your garden. Their tall spires of flowers are perfect for adding height and structure to your garden beds. Plant them in October and watch them shoot up like fireworks in the spring. 9. Columbine. Columbines are another great option for a spring show. They thrive in both sun and shade, and their unique, bell-shaped flowers add a touch of whimsy to any garden. 10. Hellebore. Last but not least, hellebore, often called the Christmas roses, is one of the earliest bloomers. Plant it now and you'll have flowers peeking through even when there's still a chill in the air. So there you have it, 10 perennials to plant this October for a garden that will wow you come spring. Trust me, the work you put in now will be worth every bloom and every colorful petal. Don't let this planting season pass you by. Start digging today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting and see you in the next video.